What's happening, Paris? What is happening? Blessed Sunday morning from my Jamaican home to wherever you are. New subscribers, welcome, and a blessed Sunday morning to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Now, if you did watch my little video prior to this one, you would realize that we told you that we were going to take you and how we prepare our Sunday. We'll be preparing our Sunday morning breakfast on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train for the very first time. If you are in tune to the Jamaican cooking journey, you realize that we have some Sunday dinner journey and some breakfast journey, but for a long time we haven't done any of that because the whole cooking thing, you know, the channel just, you know, people just want to see dishes being done. So that is the whole norm on the Jamaican cooking journey. So we want to be taking you in depth and how we do more in depth and how we prepare with meals as Jamaicans, yeah. Whether we have enough or we not have enough, it doesn't matter, because you know our thing is always a real thing. So, and when we finish, how we eat. So remember, I did say in that video that we'll be preparing, we'll be taking you along, and we're going to show you how we are going to have breakfast with that breadfruit. Now right here I have my salt mackerel that I left to soak from overnight. I woke up this morning and I changed the water. And you must make sure, so when you're getting salt mackerel, you get the one them upon the inside red. Yeah? Don't get the white one. Them just stays one week. Don't get the ones that are white. Try to select the ones that has the red on the inside. Now, I'm going to roast my breadfruit on the outside, and I'm going to fix up some salt mackerel with my breadfruit, and I'm going to steam some callaloo and some okra. So the hardest thing for do now is to roast the breadfruit, okay? So I'm going to go up. Son, I thought I do. This is Jamaica. I have a backyard. I don't live on an apartment building that upstairs. I have space. I have my Jamaican rim. I have my wood. I have coal, but I'm not using no coal. So I'm gonna go now. That is the hardest thing to prepare. The breadfruit are the hardest thing for prepare for roast. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna get my breadfruit fire all started. So I'll be moving from right inside my kitchen right to right there. So with my breadfruit and roast and my callaloo. Well, I'm not gonna show you how I clean the callaloo in depth because I've got a video on the Jamaican cooking journey. So you can go there. We're gonna leave the link in the description of this video on how to prepare your callaloo. So yeah, when you see me next, when you see me, I'll be starting. The next thing is to be roasting my breadfruit. I'm going to show you from scratch, even though I have a breadfruit roasting video on the Jamaican cooking journey too. You can check that one out. So I'm going to go outside and start my breadfruit roasting. So I'm just showing you. So next when you see me, I'm going to go out the door and deal with my breadfruit. This is Jamaican style. This is how we run it in Jamaica when we get our breadfruit for roast. Okay? Alright, now Paris made up on the outside. So I took out the stem. I took out the stem of my breadfruit. I will papa to go in this. It's a Jamaican roasted breadfruit. I take out the stem from yesterday and leave it for turn. So it's like turn now. You know, it's ripe now. It's not fully ripe, but that is when it's nice. All of you Jamaican. So I have it and you see how it's yellow? Shoot them up on the camera, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna get my stove. This is my rim. Look at it. This is the rim we use in Jamaica. I don't know if you all have that. So I'm gonna start get my fine stuff them now. I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna get a fire started. If you ever make wood fire, please comment. Comment if you have ever made a wood fire back in the days. So you see, sometimes they are all purpose, you know. We know if we make this from their country, you know. And we are little girl in their country. This was the norm. As I was telling you when I did some of my sit down videos. This is the norm from where little pitney in their country. This is how you learn to do it. See what I'm saying? Come on, girl, I can make them fire here. And so loud make the parry them here. No. Loud? No. Why? You not learn to make it. So I'm putting in a little kerosene. That's what we are using. Strike your matches, strike it away from here and under down. Yep. So we use the small ones them down in the middle to make them go and blaze. But you give the kerosene a little time to blaze off. And we're not going to put a lot on this fire here, you see? Because we're not going to burn up the breadfruit. We're going to make the breadfruit take its time and roast off properly. So we're going to make this fire roast off and get like some coal light. And when we return, you will see me I put my breadfruit on my Jamaican wood fire. So my fire right here, Pari. So I'm just going to make a because it turn, you know. So I'm not going to just go straight into the heart. You see it? Turn. So I'm going to make the cross down. You see it? It's turn, it's soft. So when it roasts, you can see here so open up. So my first scene boil off and all of that. And you see like it make some little coal at the bottom. I don't want the fire too high because I don't want it to burn. So I'm going to put it right here on the bottom first. And that is how we're going to be having it. So when it's ready to turn occasionally, maybe we'll come by one time and show you. So maybe go inside now, prepare my callaloo and the salt mackerel, and of course maybe bring it with me. Eh? Alright, Paris, so I'm reached now. I have my callaloo strip and it's in the salt water cleanser and my mackerel hook. So I go deboil my mackerel now, pick it up. So when I finish here, I don't pick it too small, you know. Some people pick it small. I don't really pick it smaller than this. You know, you saw it red and nice from the inside, and this is the center bone. You try to take it out. Yeah, but that country, and you taste the bone when you boil your mackerel. You know, I always get really little. When you boil, you soak your mackerel. I just cook now, you know, and you're picking it up, and you want to know if your mackerel good, just taste the center bone. You have the amount of salt where you want. If you want to salt it out too much or whatever, because you can't salt it out too much when you're eating the breadfruit with it, you know. Because the breadfruit fresh. So when we do our country sometime, my mother always put like two, not all, but me like some of these, so I put a few pieces in there. So you see it is so pretty and nice. It's red and pretty. So I always break my, you're not going to get out all the bones right here, you know. So alright, now Pari, I'm going to turn it now, because guess what happened? I don't want it burning up, you know. If you make the fire too, you see it? You see what I tell you? Now that it burns, you see right here, open up and you see the cross. Alright. So you don't want it burn beyond this, you know, because it will burn up. It not to burn beyond here. So okay, I get my fire all started out. Not gonna put any more sticks, just gonna use these them I have for just make it continue, because I don't want it get burned up. I want to enjoy my breadfruit. Some people don't understand how to roast it, you know, but you have to understand this thing. So now I'm gonna put it on this side now, even it up. So I'm gonna put it right there, right? So as it burn off and take its time and roast, and this is like medium flame for wood fire. A lot of people don't understand you can't get the fire down to low, you can get it up to medium, and you can get it high. Flame medium. And I'm right out here, so please comment if you want to see it. We are going to put Jessie with the other version of the potato pudding right on this rim. So we'll leave it on the medium, and as maybe may I come back and turn it to the side, and you can't, we're not going to leave you a road, man. Just follow it through. Just follow me through. You know I'll never leave you. Right now, Pari, my breadfruit supposed to roast. And you see next to nothing because it was on the low. So because of the size of the breadfruit now, yeah, we're going to test it like a cake. But because of the size of it, you need something like this. No fat and knife. Some people use fat and knife, but tall. So I'm going to push it right inside here. You see how easy it go down? I'm going to pull it out. You see it clean? Because why you see these little parts on it is because it kind of turn. So I'm going to push it the other side. Alright. So I'm still going to leave it here for now. Make it turn up on the top, because up on the top I see them little part here. So with the little heat we left down in it now, it will just something there. So when it finished now, I'm going to come back. I might show you. Come back and wrap it in glue now. Wet it up and leave it to get softened. And then we're gonna peel. Alright, we're back on the inside. So my mackerel I'll pick up, ready for go cook up. pick out B-bones, semi-debone, because you know it's sort of hard for you to get out all of the fine bones, but you have to eat around it. But most of the big ones. And in my sink here, so I have my callaloo all wash off. So I'm going to start, take my callaloo from the sink to cut up my callaloo. Now the challenge is, as a mom, I want okra in my callaloo. Me and my husband. Camera girl, I'm making breakfast for my son too. Them don't want no okra. So I have to go cut up the callaloo and steam 2 different sort of okra. Because I want my okra steamed down with my callaloo. So I'm going to steam for them one different challenges as a mom. So when you're home and you don't have a 9-to-5 job and stuff, don't feel guilty because you're not working and you're not bringing no income. You are bringing in more than income. When you have to do it like this, it's hard, it takes a whole lot out of you. So by the time you finish with a breakfast here, you can hardly enjoy your own because you're tired. So, I go cut off my callaloo, my breadfruit out there. So, my breadfruit is roast, it's just soaking, not just eating it or something. And the thing is with the breadfruit, you have to understand yourself, because some people roast that it come down to a small little thing, because they burn it up. But when I peel it, me show you. Say, I'm a breadfruit expert. I tell them I come from St. Mary, them can't fool me with breadfruit. But they can't fool me when they come to the kitchen. You all know that. So I go deal with a little something, you know, not sure, maybe about almost 8 o'clock or something now, Jamaican time. Right, breakfast time. By the time I finish 8:30, I probably about maybe 8:30, 8:45. Right, family breakfast time, man. See you. Parry, make me sure the progress of my make now. So I have one small frying pan around here, so I put that for my kids then. Let's for them callaloo, because since them don't want, and they don't want to eat callaloo either. So the seasoning down there, so half fry, so I put down that, and I'm gonna turn this down to low. So I have my little something with my okra them here, so I go dump in the rest of my callaloo in there. So I'm doing it exactly the way I want it. It take a lot out of me in Paris, but I swear to God, that's how I feel for it. You know what I'm weird there? I never take out the cover for this. I think it's in the oven here. Rinse it off. So Sunday morning breakfast is always hectic, So you turn it down, and I go turn it down to make it go and steam. Right inside here now, I have everything where I cook up. So I turn up the flame. I cook off all of my seasoning them for my salt mackerel. So you get the flame up, you see. You cook them from medium. You see how it's jelly and nice? Alright. So you get it right up here now. Dump in your salt mackerel. Now that you dump in your salt mackerel, you're going to want some vinegar to enhance your salt mackerel. Use little vinegar to enhance the salt mackerel at all times. Doesn't matter which one of the vinegar, but I have only the white one. I'm using a little celery powder in the salt mackerel to give a nice taste. And if you have black pepper, I don't think I have, but if I had, I have scotch bonnet in there. So up now, I make the mackerel go right through with this nice gravy and something. Yeah. You smell the vinegar and the celery. Look at it. Look at it, Paris. Right, nice olive onion and something. And all of that. All of them something they down in this, because the seasoning them cook out in the oil and it have that flavor there. So I turn it back now to almost to low, not fully low. So it will stay there now. Another 5 minutes and so we can turn off the stove. For them callaloo steam down, listen, my callaloo steam down. When you see me again, breakfast, I just I'll carry in for one more something before we dish. I'll carry and show you how I peel my breadfruit. So when I come back, I'm going to show you how I peel my breadfruit and put out, dish out and show you how it goes. Huh? Alright, now Paris, this is my breadfruit. I'll peel, I'm going to take out the heart and you see clean it now, the whole heap of black. But then like when some people finish it, they just blacky and it just turn you off. I don't like it like that. And it is turned, so it's nice. If you know anything about breadfruit when it's ripe, near to ripe, please comment. And it's not Jamaica alone, lots of other Caribbean countries, and I'm not sure with other countries, but if you know other countries away from Caribbean countries that has breadfruit and how them treat it, please to comment. Thank you. Now see me have, this is my one, this is how me want my callaloo with my okra. This is for the kids, and this is the salt mackerel. So the salt mackerel, give them a shot on camera girl. My callaloo with okra, this is how I want it, and this is for the kids. And that's how me like my callaloo. I don't like my callaloo steam and dry out. You know, some people do callaloo steam and it not me like my callaloo have moisture in it. You know, I like my callaloo with some moisture. I mean, I want it steam too black, and you know what I'm saying. So this is it. So I'm gonna go now dish up some breakfast. I'm gonna show you when we return our breakfast. Look, I'm gonna show you the finished product of our breakfast when we return. So Paris, real mother and wife life. I don't know how me and my husband are gonna work it out. I'm gonna put a little bit too much pepper in the mackerel and it tastes like a pepper. But I'm gonna pray for me Paris, I don't like pepper. But this is for Ozzy, and of course I don't know how far I want that. But Paris is gonna be a battle with me and her today to eat the callaloo because she don't want to eat callaloo. She's gonna put bread with that. So this is for son and this is for me. But me now put my breadfruit yet because in the next video following this one, me and I go eat and chat together at the table. Camera girl not coming because she not so 100. You know, she not look how the ladies thing. So you know, then no party. People who eat like this can go up a mukbang. She wants a mukbang. She wants us to have mukbang and she cannot eat nothing. So we'll see about that. So what I'm gonna do, for now, we are gonna lock down the little breakfast train here upon the very first one. And I hope you will like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. I know you will do just that. And I'm gonna leave for you in the description of this video the link to my roast breadfruit video, the link to how I clean up my callaloo, the link to how, well, I've never done straight salt mackerel, all of that. So to roasting the breadfruit in and outdoors, because you know we did one outdoors, one on the stove, and you hear barking on the outside. Me have extended family members, but I'll tell you about them, I'll introduce you to them in another video. So remember, this is how it is, the very first breakfast journey on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream. Please tell me how you like it. Leave your comments below, and I'm gonna do you something. I'm gonna leave for you the cost of this breakfast in the description. I'm gonna leave for you the cost of this breakfast in the description. So remember, it doesn't matter what we do, whatever we do right here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream, remember, never let the evil around you, don't let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. Join me in the next video. Let us sit and eat roast breadfruit and chat